In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do your eyebrows. So hopefully my mirror doesn't annoy you guys. So basically the way I do my eyebrows on a daily basis is really simple. So as you can see, I have very sparse eyebrows. I really don't have a lot of hair on my eyebrows. So first I'm gonna start by using the L'Oreal brow stylist definer. I use it in brunette. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna outline my eyebrow shape. So what I do first is I use the spoolie to spoolie my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna start from the bottom of my eyebrow. So I'm gonna basically outline my eyebrow. So I'm gonna do that. So, and then I'm gonna do the top. Once I have the basic shape, I'm gonna do the other to my other eyebrow. Let me just move my mirror up a little bit. So I'm gonna try and mimic the same thing on my other eyebrow. Again, if you don't get your eyebrow shape, we can always fix it with concealer. So once I have that, if you feel like you need to draw on some more to kind of make them look a little bit more even, I'm telling you, we're gonna fix it with concealer and all that. So once I have my basic brow shape on both of them, I'm gonna fill them in, and I use the Wet n Wild what is it, the Ultimate Brow Kit. I think this one is in ash brown. I use the darkest shade. I don't use any of the other shades. And then for my eyebrow brush, I use the e.l.f. one. It has a spoolie on one end and the angle tip on the other. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up some product of this, and you're gonna use it and start filling in your eyebrow. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other eyebrow. And you don't want to fill in, you want to leave the front part not filled in, because we're gonna spoolie that to make it look natural. So next I'm gonna take any flat brush you have for the concealer. This is a BH one. It came in a set. And the concealer I'm gonna use is the NYX Full Coverage Concealer. I use it in porcelain. So I'm gonna grab some of that concealer. Any concealer you have will work. You just want a concealer to clean under your eyebrows. So what you're gonna do with the concealer is you're gonna legit just put it under your brow to clean it up like that. Same thing on the other eyebrow. Once you have that, I like to take a cotton swab to kind of like blend this out. To clean it up right there. So you kind of blend that away. And you do that to your other eyebrow too. Kind of use it to clean it up. You want to get as close as possible to your eyebrow. So you want to take off, you don't want to make your tail too long. And you can grab more concealer. I'm just gonna wipe it off. I mean, get a little bit of more concealer because that was just to kind of define them. Same thing. And after I have that, I'm gonna do the same thing. The whole point of this is to just, you know, clean around your eyebrows. You could do it on the top if you want to do the same thing too. I personally don't like to do that. If you are gonna do that, you can use foundation, because I personally don't like when, I don't know, like when it looks like really white on top. I mean, if you do this before your foundation, it's fine, but if you do it after, then you know it's gonna look weird. So once you have that your eyebrows look the same, now we're gonna start blending the front of your eyebrow. So you're gonna grab your spoolie. What you're gonna do is just spoolie that color in the front and spoolie your eyebrow through, you know. So do the same thing on the other side. As you can see, with the product we had on, we didn't add any more product to the front because you want your eyebrow to go from light to dark. So once you have that, you know, you can look at your eyebrows and see, you know, what you need to take off. And what I like to do is I like to have a sharp, like kind of clean up. So what I use to do that, I just use any, you could use any micellar water. I use the Garnier one, or you could legit just use water for this. And what I like to do is I legit just clean up here in the front, like that. And you know, if you see any, you know, you want to fix your brow, you can use this to fix it up. So like so, you know, if you want to change anything in from the top, this is something that I do a lot. This is how I do my eyebrows on a daily basis. So, you know, just clean up whatever needs to be cleaned up, like so. And you kind of want to let that dry a little bit before you go in. So I'm gonna take that same pencil and I'm just gonna tidy it up. I'm also gonna add a tail. Same thing, you want your tail to finish at the corner of your eye. You don't want it to be longer than that. Sometimes I like my tails to be thin on my eyebrows at the end. You know, just the way you prefer your eyebrows to be. My everyday routine for my eyebrows. So once I'm happy with how my eyebrows look, your eyebrows, you know, fixing them and whatever you want to do. That, so as you can see, it's totally a different look, me with eyebrows and without eyebrows. It's so different. So I'm gonna grab that same brush.
I use for my eyebrows and blend all this out. And if you need to
fill them in, then just fill them in. Pull them through. And you also want the front of your eyebrows to be the same. Once you're happy with how your eyebrows look, you know, spooling them and, you know, the color and everything.
So once you have that, so that's
how your eyebrows should be looking. My eyebrow routine, the way I do my eyebrows, you know, the shape is gonna differ for everybody. This is just personally how I like to do my eyebrows, the color, everything. My shape differs every day. Every day it's a different shape and everything, but normally I try to go for this shape, not too arched, you know, just a very simple, nice eyebrow. So hope you guys enjoyed my eyebrow routine. You know, hopefully this helps you guys out, or if you guys are barely getting in, like for beginners, barely getting into doing your eyebrows, hopefully this helps you. And you know, so thank you guys so much for watching. There definitely will be more makeup related videos I have coming. So yeah, subscribe, like and comment if you guys have any questions for me. You know, just, you know, comment down below, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.